What are you doing? We were just supposed to come out and do a couple quick chores. And then Mom used to go to work. Yeah, this is my son. You loco? Yes? What are you doing? You playing? Are you going to get an itchy diaper? What's down there? I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, all boy. Your arm. You got sawdust in your arm? Yeah. You're going to go again? Yeah, this fresh pile of sawdust just got... Yeah. It's big? Yeah, he can't resist a fresh delivery of sawdust. He gets lots of sawdust in his diaper, though. And then I hear about that, too. Yeah. Are you loco? Yeah, you fall? Is it fun? This is him all the time. Wild child. Are you wild? Yeah? Come on, we're gonna go home. Almost. Yeah, that's what he tells me when he doesn't want to quit something. We're all done. Almost, he says. All right, signing out. Let's do one more drop. Are you going to do it again? You got sawdust in your eyes? One more. Boom. Almost.